Make sure your colors are default set for your fill and your stroke. You're going to find the paintbrush tool. Go ahead and draw a curve with the paintbrush. You can see it just kind of flows where you go. We're going to switch down to the pencil tool. We're going to draw a line with the pencil tool. You can see it's a little bit thinner. And then we're going to swap down to the blob brush tool. The blob brush tool just kind of draws a blob of wherever you are at. With the blob brush tool, you can draw shapes. If I swap the color, you can see wherever I drew, it's there. If I go to my line tool and I swap the color, so my fill and stroke, you can see it goes from the start to the end point. If I go to my brush tool, same thing. Now some things that you can modify if you are on your brush tool. You can come over here to your properties and you can change a couple of things. You can change the stroke, which is how thick it is. You can change the type of brush that you used. You can even create your own custom brushes. With the pencil tool, you can select the path. You can come over and you can find the width tool, which is right here, or press Shift W, and you can see wherever I drag this, it is changing the width of the line to thicker or thinner. With my blob brush tool, I have all these individual points that I can select on and move.